So hello friends, came to and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to review about a famous Indian coffee brand which is owned by famous Indian YouTuber whose name is Sara Sarosh, and the brand which she owns is called Impulse Coffee. And basically when she launched her limited edition flavor called Keep Calm with Kacha Aam, I was so excited to try that. And I ordered it immediately, but I couldn't review about that because of my external exams going on in my college. But now let's review this coffee. From the packaging, I would like to tell that the packaging is really good. Like they have sent completely in a bubble wrap so that the product is not damaged. But the thing is that the jar, wait, let me show you. The jar is completely glass, so I'm liking this fact that it's glass bottle. But the thing is that I would like it much more if the packaging was little bit sustainable and eco-friendly, like some alternative option rather than using bubble wrap. Though I'll keep this bubble wrap, I'm not going to throw it. So let's not further wait and begin the video and review about the coffee. So as per they claim, they say that this coffee tastes amazingly good in both water and milk equally. So let's taste this coffee in both variants, like in milk also and in water also. So let's dive into the video. So I received this cute little note from Impulse Coffee and it says, Shukriya, we hope sipping on Impulse Coffees warms your heart the way your order warmed us. And it's really cute, and much love, Sara Sarosh. So basically if I talk about the price of this coffee, particularly it's of rupees 399. 399 is okay for this tub, but when the shipping charges are included in it, it costs you much higher than this. So basically I don't use any online payment mode and I don't know that how much the shipping charge will add in the online payment, but I did COD, like cash on delivery, और उसमें मुझे ये पड़ी 549 रुपीज की. So personally then it becomes a little high on a price. So मेरे लिए थोड़ा ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव हो गया, लाइक इतना डब्बा 549 का. अगर मुझे 400 अराउंड या 450 अराउंड भी पड़ता, इट वुड बी ओके फॉर मी, बिकॉज फॉर अ स्टूडेंट हु इज नॉट अर्निंग राइट नाउ दिस इज अ लिटिल ऑन अ प्राइसियर नोट. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द flavor and the smell of this coffee. So when I open it and sniff it, the first smell I can smell it is of kacha mango bite. After it comes the layer of coffee and the last base note is again of kacha mango. तो अगर आपने बचपन में वो कच्चा मैंगो बाइट खाई है which came in this green wrapper, अभी भी आती है, शायद मार्केट में मिलती है, it smells exactly same like kacha mango bite, and the coffee flavor is also very good, like it's a top notch flavor. और जो कच्चा मैंगो बाइट का फ्लेवर आ रहा है ना, it's a hint of it, like ऐसा नहीं कि पूरी कॉफी कच्चा मैंगो बाइट वाली स्मेल कर रही है, ऐसा नहीं. कॉफी का प्रोमिनेंट स्मेल और फ्लेवर आ रहा है मुझे, और साथ में मुझे कच्चा मैंगो बाइट का भी इक्वली, बट नॉट दैट मच टू दैट लेवल. कॉफी को ओवर पावर नहीं कर रहा है, कॉफी इज ओवर पावरिंग द स्मेल ऑफ दिस कच्चा मैंगो बाइट. सो नाउ लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट एंड टेस्ट द कॉफी. Coffee with milk. So I made this with milk and इसमें मैंने चीनी भी नहीं डाली, so I have not added sugar at all, and as per they say that it's sugar free, like no added sugar. So basically मैंने इसमें कोई sugar नहीं डाली, but let me taste first. Okay, so let me tell you that those who don't love coffee with lot of sugar, बिल्कुल मत ऐड करना, क्योंकि मैं ऐसी पर्सन हूँ, आई एम दैट कॉफी पर्सन हु डज नॉट ऐड शुगर, और आई जस्ट ऐड लिटिल शुगर टू माई कॉफी. बट इट हैड अ नेचुरल स्वीटनेस ऑफ दिस, आई थिंक कच्चा आम और वॉट, बट इसमें नेचुरल स्वीटनेस आ रही है एंड इट इज टेस्टिंग अमेजिंग विद द मिल्क. आप इसको ठंडा ठंडा पी सकते हो इन समर. इट्स अ वेरी गुड समर कॉफी, आई कैन से दैट. एंड आई लाइक दिस ओवरऑल. मतलब जो ये कच्चा आम फ्लेवर है वो ओवर पावर नहीं कर रहा है कॉफी को. कॉफी का फ्लेवर बहुत अच्छे से आ रहा है, बट पीछे से एक हिंट आ रहा है कच्चे आम का. यू नो दैट कच्चा मैंगो बाइट फ्लेवर इज कमिंग एंड आई एम रियली लाइकिंग दैट फ्लेवर. So I like this coffee with milk. Now let's try it with water. Okay, so I have another coffee with water. So it's just water, and again I have added zero sugar in it. So I have added no sugar. And as per their claim, they don't add any sugar in their coffee. So let's taste this. Oh god. Now I am having that flavor of kacha aam in my mouth. Like now I am having zero sweetness. At the last, I would like to give you the overall review of this coffee. Is that if you are a coffee lover and you like your coffee to be sweet, go with milk and a little bit of sugar. But if you like coffee to be completely bitter and raw, go with a good cold water and good amount of ice cubes, because this coffee has complete balanced flavors of bitterness and sourness, and nothing is overpowering. You will not feel any artificial flavor of the kacha aam, but it's a really good flavor. So it's completely thumbs up from my side. Go and check it out. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.